This is the digital twin visualization dashboard. For offshore wind farms, your one-stop, intelligent command center for clean energy management. Powered by Hydapo's cutting-edge technology. Leveraging GIS mapping, it precisely pinpoints wind farm locations and enables full-stack vertical management. Real-time access to station-level data, capacity ranking, and core operational metrics. The immersive 3D simulation replicates the entire offshore wind farm scenario, switching seamlessly between day, night, and diverse weather conditions for vivid, scenario-based monitoring. On the dashboard, you can track live environmental parameters, turbine status counts, and energy conservation and emission reduction KPIs at a glance. Plus, the visualization of circuit and pipeline layouts eliminates blind spots in asset management. By integrating physical assets with digital replicas, Hydapo's digital twin solution boosts operational efficiency, minimizes downtime, and maximizes the clean energy output of offshore wind farms, driving the global transition to sustainable power.